Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in to another family vlog. So this morning we have already had our breakfast and now we are about to get dressed for the day. I am washing Ariana's face and ears. She takes a bath every other night, but I just make sure I follow up the next day with washing her face and ears and applying lotion all over. So we're going to take off these pajamas and put on some clothes for today. And for those of you who have watched my vlogs in the past, when it comes to getting Ariana dressed, you guys know she used to hate this process, but now as you can see, she has seemed to grow into this and enjoy it. So once I have her dressed and situated, I put her on the floor for tummy time, and then I also start the process on doing her hair. I don't do anything strenuous on her hair. I just make sure I moisturize and seal her hair because she does have extremely dry hair right now. So I'm just trying to figure out her hair texture and what to do to add moisture. And I always just add a couple drops of coconut oil and Jamaican black castor oil to her scalp just to get the blood flowing. And I'm just picking out a couple of hair bows to put on her hair for today, which I got from Amazon. So I couldn't film the video of me doing her hair because she was so interested in the camera, but while she's sleeping, I am going to go ahead and start doing some stuff in her room. As you can see, I'm super duper behind on laundry. Ariana has a shit ton of clothes. So yeah, I'm gonna just clean up and straighten up her room because we do spend a lot of time up here because downstairs has hardwood floors. So up here, I just feel a lot more comfortable with her being on the floor and crawling around and getting familiar with being on the floor and being on her stomach. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean up and I'll be back. Now, you know what? The way that dresser looked is just a shame, but I'm getting around to it, so that's okay. So I'm going in with the Green Wise Lemon Scent Multi-Purpose Cleaner that I got from Publix, and I'm going to be using this stuff to pretty much wipe down everything in Ari's room, from dresser to countertops to knobs, just to make sure everything is pretty much clean and sanitized. This is a plant-based, eco-friendly multi-purpose cleaner. You guys know in my last cleaning video, I'm trying to get more into the whole eco cleaning stuff, so we'll see how that goes. So anyways, like I said, I got a ton of laundry to do for Ari, so I'm just gonna start working on this because if I don't start, it will just accumulate and accumulate and accumulate, and I just really don't want to keep doing that because it's just getting out of hand. So I'm just gonna fold everything and put everything away. I'm not even gonna fold and let it sit out like I normally do with the majority of me and Travis clothes. I'm gonna fold and put up, sis. So I'm always on Pinterest just looking for new ideas to get inspired by, new ways to organize, especially when it comes to Ari's clothes. And I always wanted her drawer to look neat. And so yeah, I decided to roll up her clothes because of an idea that I saw on Pinterest, and it seems to be working. I'm able to be organized. I know exactly where things are, and it's all in one area. So with her onesies, I pretty much roll them up, put them in a basket, and put them in her drawer like this. And then any onesies that cannot fit in the basket, I put them outside the basket, and this just looked more neater to me. And like I said, I know exactly what I'm looking for without having to pull everything out and just, you know, room and drawers just looking a hot mess. So I pretty much do this for everything that Ariana has, from one side being her onesies, to another drawer being long sleeve shirts, to another drawer being t-shirts, to another drawer being socks. Like everything is pretty much organized to the T. If you guys want me to do like a separate video, thumbs this video up and let me know below. in the comments. So this is another section of Ari room where I pretty much keep like all her new items, towels, socks, books, body wash, just everything like a stockpile basically. This is what this is. So it has gotten out of hand, so I need to organize this too. So Ari is awake now and she's downstairs with Travis. So I'm about to finish up with vacuuming the floors. This is my Dyson. I forgot what this one is called, but y'all know I love Dyson products. So anyways, I'm just going to vacuum the floor, make sure everything is clean for Ari because she is on the floor more. She's doing a lot more tummy time. She's wiggling. So I just want to make sure she is crawling on, you know, the cleanest stuff possible. So yeah.